Hey guys, Marlon from Impress Computers, and today I'd like to talk about the all-in-ones and when the computer is about to fail. So this specific computer has a laptop motherboard, and what happens with this is all too small. Everything's built onto this big screen, and they put just a little fan with the spinning hard drive, which they tend to fail. In this case, the motherboard failed. So if you have any issues about not posting the computer when you're trying to turn it on, you need to try like a different power adapter if you don't have another one. Some of them come with one of the regular cords, so try a different plug to see if it comes on. Otherwise, if it comes on and then you get a black screen, the hard drive can also be bad. So in this case, it was a motherboard, and then we're going to transfer the data. That's why we took out the hard drive. So if you have any questions about motherboard problems or transferring the data to another unit or another external drive, just come on to Impress Computers. The phone number is 281-647-9977. Thank you.